The government of Pakistan condemns the drone strike by the US. Pakistan has consistently maintained that such strikes are a violation of Pakistan's sovereignty and territorial integrity. The government of Pakistan is itself taking a decisive action against terrorism and terrorist elements, and therefore believes that these strikes are unnecessary and should be stopped. Drone strikes and their impact is a subject that is um, part of our talking points in our engagements with the US, from the head of government level to working level visits. This issue is raised. Um, Naturally, US has its own position, which, as you would have noticed, is not backed by international law and now the international public opinion.